Welcome back to the online classes. Yesterday we had gone through the poem I Like Little Pussy, the lesson 7. Uh, Today I will give the exercises of lesson 6, which was left over. Lesson 6 Theseus and the Miniature Part 2. So, in that, page number 42, learning grammar. So that part was left over, that three pages, 42, 43 and 44. These three pages were left over. So I will go through those exercises, explain to you, and along with the video, I will give the answers for you to write in your book. Okay, so let us start. So in that page number 42, learning grammar. So it is talking about pronouns. Now you already know that pronouns are words used in place of nouns, right? Nouns, you know what are nouns? Nouns are the naming words such as uh, Alexa, Sibi, Maruti. All these are names. Now, instead of these names, we used pronouns. Now, what are the pronouns? As you see on page number 42, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. All these are personal pronouns. Okay, personal pronouns. Now, these personal pronouns are divided into three parts, such as if you see in your on your page 42, I, we, they both are first person pronouns. You is a second person pronoun. He, she, it, they, all these are third person pronouns. Now we have got another pronoun which we call possessive pronouns. Now what do you mean by possessive? Possessive means mine, that is property. It belongs to me, belonging to someone. Okay, belonging to someone is called possessive pronoun. Now what are those? They are mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs. All these are possessive pronouns. Now if you see the examples of possessive pronouns, what is given? This bag is mine. Okay, whose bag is this? Mine. That bag is yours. Whose bag is that? Yours. Now when we use this, no, this bag, then it is mine. When it is pointing towards, pointers we use that, then it becomes yours. Now mine and yours are possessive pronouns. Pronouns which show possession are called possessive pronouns. Understood? So all the pronouns what you have seen in the beginning, that is I, we, are, you, he, she, it, they, for all this there are pronouns. Now if you see I, we have got possessive pronoun mine. For we have ours, you, yours, he, his, she, hers, they, theirs. Okay, these are the possessive pronouns. Now let us see the exercise. Complete the following sentences using possessive pronouns. Right now I am giving you verbally the answers. Later on, along with this video, I will give the answers written also, so you can write them in your book. Now you paid for this, so this is what is coming, what is the subject in the first line, that is you. So what will come the possessive pronoun? Yours. Okay, so this is yours. Your name is written on this book, so what will come again? Yours. They are entering their house. The house is they, so what will be there? Their. Okay, the house is theirs. the car is in front of her house. It must be hers. Her, no, it has come her. So, hers. We own this house. The house is, we is there. So, what will come? Ours. Very good. Understood, no? So, you, if the you is there, then it will be definitely yours. If it is they, then theirs. And if any other pronoun, now the D question, the pronoun is her. So, what will come? Hers. And in fifth, we, ours. Understood? Okay. Come, let us go to the next one. Page number 43. In page number 43, we have got reflexive pronoun. Okay, we have got reflexive pronoun. Now, we have read in the lesson the word herself. While reading the lesson, you might have gone through the word herself. Now, a reflexive pronoun is formed by adding self or selves. Okay, one is self, S-E-L-F, and the other one is selves, S-E-L-V-E-S, selves, to words like her, our, etc. Now, a reflexive pronoun refers back to the noun or pronoun mentioned before it in the same sentence. Generally, this noun or pronoun is the subject of the sentence. Of course, no, reflexive pronoun is what? Refers back. Reflexive. What does it mean? Reflecting to oneself. No? When you see in the mirror, whom do you see? You see yourself. That is reflecting your own image through the mirror. So, same way here. So, whatever work we do, sometimes it is reflected back to us. That is called reflexive. Now, the examples are given. The singular ones are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself. They are singular reflexive pronouns. And plural reflexive pronouns are ourselves, yourselves, themselves, all these are. Now, you see the difference, what is there? In the singular, we are adding S-E-L-F, okay, myself, okay, S-E-L-F, that is for the one person, singular. And for the plural, we are adding S-E-L-V-E-S, selves. Understood? So, this is the difference between both. Now, let us come back to the exercise. Now, write the reflexive pronouns in the blank boxes. So, it is already given. What is there? Okay. So, I is what? Singular, no? So, what will come? Very good. Myself, right? Myself. He, himself, okay, H-I-M-S-E-L-F, himself. We, now we is what? Plural. So, what reflexive pronoun will come? Plural reflexive pronoun. So, what will be there? Ourselves, O-U-R-S-E-L-V-E-S, ourselves. It, again it is singular, so itself. She, very good, herself. Now, there are two you, one is used as singular, other one is plural. So, it should be simple for you. So, first one, you singular means yourself, S-E-L-F, and second you means plural. So, it is yourselves, S-E-L-V-E-S, and then the last one, they, themselves. Got it? I will give all the answers to you after this video. Okay, so you can write it down, right? Now, we have seen pronoun. In the pronoun, we have seen possessive, that is mine, hers, him, what you call him, okay, all these things. Then reflexive pronoun, okay, myself, ourselves, yourselves, okay, reflexive. Now we have got relative pronouns to relate, no, one object to subject, and object is related. Now, how? Let us see the definition. A relative pronoun is related to a noun that comes just before it. Okay, a relative pronoun is related to a noun that comes just before it. It also acts as a conjunction. Examples: what, which, who, whom, all these are that are relative pronouns. Okay, what, which, who, whom, that, all these are relative pronouns. So you should see that there should be a noun before these relative pronouns. They use as a conjunction. Conjunction, what is conjunction? Which are connecting words, right? They connect one sentence to the other sentence, so they are called connecting conjunction. So relative pronouns are also does the same work. Now let us go through the exercises. Exercise. Now I can see the book. What will come? I can see the book which is on the shelf. Okay. Which book? What book? He can say which is on the shelf. This is the pencil that I gave you. Okay, this is a pencil that I gave you. Here is the boy who stole my book. This is the girl. What will come? This is the girl whom all praise. Very good. And the last one, this is the bag which you gave me. Okay, which or that, both are correct. Which you gave me or that you gave me. Clear? Good? Very good. Let us go to the next slide. The next one is your interrogative pronouns. Okay, the fourth part. 4 types of pronoun. First we have seen which one? Possessive pronoun. Second, reflexive pronoun. Third, relative pronoun. And the fourth one, interrogative pronoun. So interrogative, what do you mean by interrogative? Interrogative means questions, right? Now let us see the definition. These pronouns ask questions about the nouns which they stand for, right? They ask questions. Now there are only 5 interrogative pronouns. What are those? What, which, who, whom, and whose. These are the 5 interrogative pronouns. Now use the above interrogative pronouns in the blanks. Now dash makes you laugh. So what will add? Who makes you laugh? Okay, who makes you laugh or what makes you laugh? Both are correct. Who makes you laugh or what makes you laugh, right? Second one is dash of the 2 is better. Now here a choice is being asked, 2 better. So what will come? Which of the 2 is better, right? Which of the 2 is better? Third one, dash broke my slate. Simple, broke my slate. What will come? Very good. Who broke my slate? Very good. Who broke my slate? Fourth one, dash do you want to see? What will come? What do you want to see or whom do you want to see? Here, whom do you want to see? Because someone has come to see somebody, So, whom do you want to see? And the last one, what is this book? Okay, or which is, or sorry, whose is this book, right? Whose, okay, whose is this book? Clear? Got it? Okay, good. Let us go to the next exercise. Here it is, match the following. Okay, match the words in column A with the opposite in column B. Example is given: unlucky, lucky. Alive, what will be alive? Very good. Dead. Evil, what will be evil? Virtue. Huge, huge. Tiny. Triumph, defeat. entrance, exit, and sharp, blunt. Clear? Now find your way out. Now here a kind of a thing is given, finding your way out. Okay, but where is the door to the cave? Asked Theseus. That was in the chapter. Now imagine you go to a new place. You want to find the way to a house. How will you ask directions? So is this the way to the marketplace? No, it's not. You have to go in the opposite direction. This is just a kind of pair of to speak, no, two people to speak. So you can try with your brother or sister, or even with your parents. No, just ask them to ask the question what is there in the book, and give the reply for that. Okay, hope you have understood the exercises, especially the pronoun. Pronoun we spoke. Pronouns, what are pronouns? Pronouns are used instead of a noun. How many types are there? 4 types. Possessive pronoun. Which are those possessive pronoun? Mine, ours, yours, his, hers. These are possessive pronoun. Then we have got reflexive, that is myself, yourself, herself. Then we have got relative, no, relative pronouns. That means use connecting, which are called also connective, used as conjunction, right? So they are what, which, who, whom, that, and last interrogative, used as questions. Clear? All right, understood well. After this video, I will give the answers to you. Please note it down in your book. Okay, good. Stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day. Thank you.